Why is it that when you sneeze in class, suddenly 10 people feel obligated to yell,
Bless you.
like they're performing some ancient ritual? Like, relax, I sneeze. I didn't open a portal to the underworld. Why did the whole classroom just spiritually unite over my nose? And it's never chill either. One kid mutters,
Bless
like
you.
he's in a haunted house. Another dude shouts it from the back like he's giving orders in the army. There's always that one girl who says,
Bless
like she's
you.
belting out the national anthem. And the teacher just stops and stares like I committed a felony. Like, my bad for having allergies, Susan. Then out of nowhere comes Dylan, who talks once every half year saying, God bless you, man. Excuse me? Since when are you my pastor? And don't you dare sneeze twice. Nope, now you've activated the emergency blessing round. People start laughing. Someone asks, you alright? Like I just survived a car crash. And Kyle in the corner starts clapping like I just safely landed a Boeing. I still haven't healed from the time they blessed me in 3 different languages. Someone even tossed a pencil like it was a sacrifice. Next time I sneeze, I'm walking out. Y'all are not turning me into a classroom performance again. It's traumatic, bro.